म अंग्रेजी बोल्दिन। I don't speak English. म अंग्रेजी बोल्दिन। I don't speak English. तपाईले यो कहाँबाट पाउनुभयो? Where did you get it from? तपाईले यो कहाँबाट पाउनुभयो? Where did you get it from? तपाई यसबारे के सोच्नुहुन्छ? What do you think about this? तपाई यसबारे के सोच्नुहुन्छ? What do you think about this? म कक्षामा बसिरहेको छु। I am sitting in the class. म कक्षामा बसिरहेको छु। I am sitting in the class. उहाँ मेरो शिक्षक हुनुहुन्छ। He is my teacher. उहाँ मेरो शिक्षक हुनुहुन्छ। He is my teacher. तिमीले मेरो नम्बर कहाँ पायौ? Where did you get my number? तिमीले मेरो नम्बर कहाँ पायौ? Where did you get my number? यो कसैलाई नदिनुहोस्। Don't give it to anyone. यो कसैलाई नदिनुहोस्। Don't give it to anyone. मैले उसलाई केही भनिन। I didn't say anything to him. मैले उसलाई केही भनिन। I didn't say anything to him. म केही किन्न चाहन्छु। I want to buy something. म केही किन्न चाहन्छु। I want to buy something. ऊ यहाँ आएको छैन। He hasn't come here. ऊ यहाँ आएको छैन। He hasn't come here. के तपाईं केही गर्दै हुनुहुन्छ? Are you doing something? के तपाईं केही गर्दै हुनुहुन्छ? Are you doing something? के तपाईं मसँग कुरा गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ? Can you talk to me? के तपाईं मसँग कुरा गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ? Can you talk to me? मसँग अरु केही छैन। I don't have anything else. मसँग अरु केही छैन। I don't have anything else. तिमी मसँग किन बोल्दैछौ? Why are you talking to me? तिमी मसँग किन बोल्दैछौ? Why are you talking to me? मैले एक्लै जाने निर्णय गरे। I decided to go alone. मैले एक्लै जाने निर्णय गरे। I decided to go alone. तपाई आज के सिक्न चाहनुहुन्छ? What do you want to learn today? तपाई आज के सिक्न चाहनुहुन्छ? What do you want to learn today? तिमी के जान्न चाहन्छौ? What do you want to know? तिमी के जान्न चाहन्छौ? What do you want to know? धेरै समय लाग्न सक्छ। It may take a long time. धेरै समय लाग्न सक्छ। It may take a long time. तपाई त्यो कुर्सीमा बस्न सक्नुहुन्छ। You can sit on that chair. तपाई त्यो कुर्सीमा बस्न सक्नुहुन्छ। You can sit on that chair. हामीले उसलाई अस्पताल लग्यो। We took him to the hospital. हामीले उसलाई अस्पताल लग्यो। We took him to the hospital. तपाईको बैठक कति बजे सुरु हुन्छ? What time does your meeting start? तपाईको बैठक कति बजे सुरु हुन्छ? What time does your meeting start? औषधिको स्वाद तीतो हुन्छ। The medicine tastes bitter. औषधिको स्वाद तीतो हुन्छ। The medicine tastes bitter. के यो तपाईको पहिलो भ्रमण हो? Is it your first visit? के यो तपाईको पहिलो भ्रमण हो? Is it your first visit? तिमीले मलाई कहिले भनेनौ? You never told me. तिमीले मलाई कहिले भनेनौ? You never told me. म तिमीलाई विश्वास गर्दिन। I don't believe you. म तिमीलाई विश्वास गर्दिन। I don't believe you.